I need more room. Honest to God, I forgot I had these things. Look how twisted that is. Make a surfboard out of it. Sycamore. My uncle gave me a whole big piece of it, so I had to cut it in half so I could put it in a car and bring it down to it. That'd be fun. Well, first things first, I am going to apologize for a pretty short and boring video. I'm gonna spoil it for you. It's just me putting brackets on a wall. In fairness, I have been meaning to do this for a few months now. All my lumber just lives behind the lathe cart, and it's getting so cluttered and just traps dust and dirt and who knows what else back there. By doing this, hopefully, not only will I be able to see what lumber I have and or need, I'll also gain quite a bit of space. The lathe cart pushes itself out into the workspace because of all the existing lumber back there now. So with it gone, hopefully I'll be able to push it into the wall and gain that space.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Huh?
It's okay.
You were only 40 seconds in. You want me to stop it?
Yeah, you can push that. And that would be my youngest son, Max. This worked out well. I may have gone a little overboard. I put 4 brackets up. Probably didn't need that many. But better to have them and not need them than need them and not have them. I was also a little worried how far into the room they were going to stick from the wall. But you can see they kind of just snake right behind the garage door there. But yeah, not bad. Well, this definitely worked. Let me turn you around and show you. This lathe cart used to live about here. So that much room, all of that lumber used to live back here. So now I've got at least 2 feet left, or 2 feet more. Which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you see there's not a whole lot of space to begin with in here, that's pretty good. 2 feet's a lot, man, because then I just move this out of here and I've got all of this space, and this is on casters, so if I want I can just roll that out and I'll have all this room. I'm eventually getting rid of this carpet, which is going to be a bit of a blessing. Not much of a fun video this time, I know, but next time hopefully we'll get into some cutting wood and making stuff. But I definitely needed this. That was a big time helper. A little more room. Can't ask for much in a small shop, I guess, but we make do with what we got. Till the next time, thanks for sticking around. All right.